Ever feel like important details slip through the cracks while working in Salesforce? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable and add notes so you can keep everything organized and at your fingertips. It's simple once you know where to look, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be ready to start using notes like a pro. Start by opening Salesforce in your browser. You can type in the URL directly or click your saved bookmark if you have one. On the top right, you'll see the login area. Hover over it and select the Salesforce option that matches the environment you use. This part matters because your data and access live in that specific space. Enter your username and email credentials and hit enter to log in. Once you're in, look toward the top right of your dashboard for the quick settings menu. Click it and a set of options will appear. From there, select Open Advanced Setup. It may sound technical, but it's just the section where Salesforce keeps its deeper customization tools. Inside Advanced Setup, you'll see the Quick Find search box. This is your shortcut to any setting without digging around. Type the word Notes into the box. You'll see a section for note settings appear right away. Click into it to open the configuration options. Here, look for the checkbox that enables the notes feature. If it isn't already checked, go ahead and turn it on. Enabling this gives you the ability to create and attach notes directly to your records, perfect for reminders, meeting takeaways, or extra context. When you're done, make sure to hit Save. That one click locks in everything you've just set up and activates notes across your Salesforce environment. And that's it. Notes are officially enabled and ready to use. From here, you can start attaching them to leads, opportunities, accounts, or any record that needs extra info. It's a small setup step that makes a huge difference in how you track and manage your work. If this guide helped you get set up, stick around for more Salesforce tips that make everyday tasks faster and easier. Thanks for watching.